It's potato harvesting time. I think you're supposed to wait until the leaves are about half died back, but I had recently bought some potatoes, so I wanted to wait until I'd eaten those. I got just over 1 kilogram worth of potatoes out of this one bag. I'm not sure if that's a lot or not. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied with it, but I feel like I could have gotten more. These are still first early potatoes, so I wasn't expecting them to be very big. Who's impressed with my squatting skills, hey? Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with the potatoes. My face just looks like that when I'm doing things. Potatoes.